If the water is very still, it can reflect the moon. In the similar way, our subconsciousness is highly purified, it can mirror the higher soul.
So the final question is, when we want to become one with the higher soul, do we have to dissolve the subconscious mind completely?
Yes. See, dissolve is a term which is not very accurate. What is the difference between a purified person and non-purified person? We all know crystals. If you see the highest quality crystal, it is transparent. What is the meaning of transparent? It is pure. It does not have any irregularity or impurity. In the similar way, if a person is purified, and purification is a long process, gradual process. So you are purifying your subconscious mind so that it is becoming more and more transparent. You cannot say that transparent is dissolved. Transparent is something which is not there. You can see through it. Basically, it is not that we are dissolving it so that the subconsciousness is gone. It is purified, it is transparent, it is very high quality. So that it is able to reflect, it is able to mirror the higher soul within you without any impurity. So like there is a water and water mirrors the moon. If the water is impure or there is a lot of disturbance in the water, can it reflect the moon? No. So if the water is very still, it can reflect the moon. In the similar way, our subconsciousness is highly purified, it can mirror the higher soul. So that is the purpose. So dissolve is not the right word, purification is the right word, making it transparent, purification.